Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Copeland's Builders, where we take your dreams and turn them into reality. It's Monday morning. We're back at the camp. The weather looks like it's going to be good. We're planning on getting the rest of these walls put up and get ready for our trusses. So I'd like to show you how we lay out our wall. Our wall studs are going to be 16-inch on center. So the first thing we do on the bottom plate is we mark where our wall studs are going to go. Because we want it to be in the center of our stud, and our stud is 1.5 inches, we mark 3/4 of an inch under 16-inch on the bottom plate, on the side of the line where we want to put our 2x6 stud. Then we take our square and we make the same marks onto our bottom plate. After we get our top and bottom plate laid out the way we want them, it's time to put our 2x6 wall studs in. These are pre-cut 2x6s. They're 92 5/8 inch long. They pre-cut them that length, so when you add the 1.5 inch for your bottom plate, the 1.5 inch for your top plate, and the 1.5 inch for your upper top plate, is exactly what you need for your wall height. Then you want to measure from corner to corner and make sure you have the same measurement to make sure your wall is square. For our window and door headers, we're using double 2x10 headers with a 2x6 on the bottom and a piece of 3/4 inch subfloor on the top. Rick is getting all of our window jacks and window studs ready to be installed. The next step is to put our wall sheeting on. We're using 7/16 OSB, and we're using staples and our staple gun to attach it. I don't know if you can see this, but we're trying to leave an 1/8 inch gap between our OSB to allow for expansion. After you got all the OSB on, it's time to pick the wall up. Once we get the wall slid in place, we need to level it. We always put at least 3 or 4 nails beside every stud. We found that the fastest way to get the doors and windows cut out is by using a chainsaw. Then we repeat the same process for all the walls. I wanted to show you how we frame in our windows and our doors. If you don't already know, we put a regular stud up first, and then we put our jack stud on, and then we put our box header. In order to get just a little bit more space up there, we had to put a 3/4 inch piece of subfloor up there. We do the same thing for the doors, except for it goes all the way down to the ground. So we're all finished up for today. We've got all the walls up on the first floor. So that'll wrap us up for today. We'll see everybody here tomorrow. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. See you tomorrow.